Good morning, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2021 Volvo V60 T5 Cross Country. This is in Pebble Gray Metallic with a charcoal leather interior. This super sharp Swedish wagon has less than 27,000 miles on it. And that Pebble Gray Metallic is such a cool paint color. It ages gracefully and hides any sort of scratches. And check out these 20-inch show-stopping wheels. These are absolutely gorgeous. This is a full set of brand new wheels with brand new tires. That's a $3,600 upgrade on this V60 wagon. It has integrated roof rails up top, so you could add load bars, cargo box, and down below it actually has the trailer hitch installed. So this will tow 2,000 pounds. I actually have an older style body V60 and with a trailer hitch, and I use it all the time. My husband and I have goats, and we go to the feed store to get hay, and it's a little truck. It's awesome. So you have the wiring harness and the ball, and then you just hit this button right here. And that pops out. You click it in place, and et voila, you're ready to go. And to tuck it back away, you just hit that button and it releases. And that's it. This is a hands-free power liftgate. It has keyless entry. There's a giant panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. It has 250 horsepower, a 5-star safety rating, super comfortable interior, real wood inlays, gorgeous. The front seats are heated. Your ignition switch is here. This is your adjustable drive mode, your parking brake, and your brake hold. This is the Sensus system. So you have the Sensus navigation. Your home button is here. That'll bring you to the main tiles that you use all the time. Your vehicle functions over here. Move these around to suit your needs. Turn on that start stop, move it out of your way. There's that backup camera, and that will shift on when you turn on when you shift into drive as well. Sirius XM if you set it up. Lots to know about this. If you are serious about securing this Swedish sedan wagon, if you're serious about securing this Swedish wagon, this is stock number 6767A. It's available for immediate delivery. I'll add a link in the description box below with all the details. Check it out. Find us on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.